In this video, learn how to search for classes that are held during a selected semester. This is the my.illinoisstate.edu web portal. There are 3 different ways to register for classes from your portal. For the first method, click the Academics tab. Scroll down to the Register Times section. Then, click the Register Now button. If registration is not open, registration dates and times will be displayed instead. For the second method, click the Academics tab. Scroll down past the registration section and click the Register for Classes link. For the third method, open your Student Center and click on the Manage Classes tile. Click the Register for Classes link on the left side of the screen. Search and enroll for classes on this page. If multiple terms are available to register in, a list of those terms will display. Simply select the term for enrollment before continuing the registration process. There are several different ways to register for classes: using the Advanced Keyword Search section, searching by using your own keywords, using the Favorites or Recently Viewed sections, or using the Additional Ways to Search link. When using any of these sections, you do not need to use it in addition to any of the other sections. For example, if you search by keyword, you do not need to use the drop-down menus in the Advanced Keyword Search section, and vice versa. Use the Advanced Keyword Search section to narrow down your search results. Use the drop-down menu in the Class Attribute field to select a designated course characteristic from the list. For example, General Education, Clinical Experience, or Honors. Once the selection in the Class Attribute menu has been selected, the Class Sub-Attribute drop-down menu will be activated. Use the drop-down menu to select a specified course characteristic based on the class attribute from the list. For example, if General Education is selected, the Class Sub-Attribute drop-down menu contains selections such as Fine Arts, Humanities, and Mathematics. Use the Instruction Mode drop-down menu to select the type of instruction you would like the class to be. For example, hybrid, internet/online, or in person. Use the Subject drop-down menu to choose the subject of the class for which you are searching. Choose the period of time during which the class is being held by using the Academic Session drop-down menu. For example, the first 8 weeks of the fall term or regular academic session. Please note that depending on the term you are viewing, the term may have different academic session options. Use the Course Career drop-down menu to choose if the class you're searching for is taken by undergraduate or graduate students. If you would rather type your own keywords, course subject, or number, use the Search for Classes field to search for classes. This is not a required field. This field can be filled in with the keywords of a class if you know them. Alternatively, you can enter the exact course and subject number instead. For example, if searching for English 101 Composition as Critical Inquiry, you can type English 101, ENG 101, or Composition Critical Inquiry. For this example, if you decide to search by keyword instead of exact course and subject number, type English to view a list of English classes. Other examples include MAT, MBA 240, General Education, Honors, or Music. You can also use the bottom 2 sections to search for classes as well. View or expand the Favorites area to select a class from a list of classes you have marked as your favorite. View or expand the Recently Viewed area to display recently viewed classes. If you are unsure of what classes you need to take, talk to your academic advisor about a plan of study. Click the Additional Ways to Search link. A pop-up window will appear with additional options to search for courses. Use the drop-down menu in the Available Subjects field to select a subject, enter the catalog number of the course in the catalog number field, or the instructor's last name in the instructor last name field. Click the Search button. For this example, I will search for accounting. I will leave the Advanced Keyword Search section blank. After entering your search term, select the arrow button to the right of the search field or the Enter key on your keyboard. The View Search Results page, which displays a list of search results based on your search terms and any selected criteria in the Advanced Keyword Search section. A list of different filters will be displayed on the left side of the screen. Use the filters to narrow down the list of search results to display the class or classes that fit the criteria you need. Filter classes by type of class by using the Class Attributes section. Use the checkboxes in the Class Attributes section to search by categories such as honors classes, gen ed classes, and clinical experiences. Filter options vary based on what information is being searched for, and not all filter options will apply for all courses. For example, not all courses will have a Wednesday class or a second 8-week course, and so on. Use the checkboxes in the Academic Session section to search for classes held during a certain period in a semester. Use the checkboxes in the Class Meeting Days section to filter classes by days of the week the classes are offered. Use the checkboxes in the Class Start Times section to filter classes by the times the classes start. Use the checkboxes in the Class End Times section to filter classes by the times the classes end. Once you find the course that you are searching for, click on the Courses row to view the available class sections for the semester. Select the hyperlink under the Class column to view class details. The class information page will be displayed in a pop-up window. Read about details such as when the class is being held, location, class attributes, instruction mode, and class availability. Select the X on the top right of this window to close the class information page. This will return you to the class information list with class sections. Below the course name is the Add to Favorite Courses link. Click this link to add this class to your favorites. Then, when you return to the Register for Classes page, this class will appear in your Favorites section.